applying for an immigrant visa, here's something you need to know about. New directives have come down from the State Department telling all visa officers who are reviewing applications for immigrant visas, that is permanent residence in the U.S., that they are now to deny any visa applications based on certain medical conditions possessed by the applicant. And we're not talking about communicable diseases. We're talking about things like diabetes, cancer, obesity, respiratory issues, mental health conditions, and more. These officers, who are not trained medical professionals, are now being told, hey, if you think that these medical conditions that people have will become so out of control and so expensive in the U.S. that that individual will not be able to cover the costs of their own health care and thus become a public charge, the visa application should be denied. Now, let me remind you, whenever a family member sponsors a person for a immigrant visa, they already have to show that they are in a strong enough financial position to ensure that that person will not become a public charge. They have to provide things like tax returns and recent pay statements and annual wage statements to show the government, look, I'm in a position where I can cover and carry this person. Visa officers cannot predict the future. Diabetes alone affects more than 10% of the world's population. Heart disease is even more common. And let's not forget that individuals applying for a green card already have to go through a rigorous medical exam. They have to show that they don't have communicable issues and are vaccinated and are not going to pose a threat to the United States in any kind of way, and they don't have mental health issues or whatever. Government guidance specifically says that officers cannot deny somebody's immigrant visa based on speculative what-if scenarios. And that's exactly what the United States government is posturing to do right now.